Hey there, this is Bill Schulteis. I'm the creator of the Coffeehouse Investor, and together we're helping each other build wealth, ignore Wall Street, and get on with our lives. Next week is the national election, and if there ever was a moment in time to ignore Wall Street and focus on what we can control, now's the time. It seems like over the past 6 months, the financial media has been obsessed with trying to stay in front of us, suggesting that they know more than we do about how the elections are going to impact our portfolios and our pursuit of our financial goals. 20 years ago, when I wrote my first book, I shared 3 simple principles. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. There's no such thing as a free lunch, and save for a rainy day. For investors who have embraced those 3 timeless principles, they've been able to live through the 5 national elections that have followed over the preceding 20 years. And it's allowed them to really focus on what they can control. And regardless of what happens next week in the national election, you and I, if we're going to work this week, we're going to go to work next week. And although the market can be highly irrational based on the unknowns of the next couple of years, longer term, the markets are highly efficient. And what that does is it allows us to focus not on the markets, but on things in our lives that matter. For those of us that are working, it's how much we save. For those of you who are retired, it's how much you're spending. It's pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward. I'm excited to announce that in a couple of weeks, my second book, The Coffeehouse Investor's Ground Rules, Save, Invest, and Plan for a Life of Wealth and Happiness, is going to be released. You can access a free chapter with the link below this video or on my coffeehouseinvestor.com website. And a lot of people have said, well, what are you going to say in this book that you didn't say in your previous book? This book is going to be different primarily because I'm going to share a lot of stories of people like you who have lived these principles over the last 20 years. And the impact that it's had on your lives, your ability to live a life of abundance and not scarcity because you are on track with your long-term financial plan. So take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel, to like this video. You can pre-order the book at Amazon.com. More information can be found at coffeehouseinvestor.com. This is Bill Schulteis. I'll catch you next week.